house. So it was fucking, oh, it was hell. It was hell. It was hell in that. Oh, I'm never. Thank you again for the super chat. Thank you. 10 years ago, their audiences were like 13. You think the moment I see anything, I'm fucking popping that shit up. It's gonna be like gotcha. Like, when I open sensors, by the way, let me show you guys what it is. All right. Oh, Yankee, thank you for the super chat. Thank you.
Particular trait. The orange ones represent romance. Blue is talent. Green
No,
is flirtation,
Toki, it's the date
red is
grid.
sexuality.
What color was it? I thought it was just bejeweled. I didn't realize there was more to it. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you go.
Sweet. Okay, what's next?
This stream happened. Best of luck on the. I didn't know. Because it got started. So, thank fucking God. So let me grab the image. Oh my God, it's a giant ass image. Merchandising, amazing. So, basically,
We.
Me. You.
me. What does she see in Silent Hill? Because every time each person sees Silent Hill differently. Oh my God, how many was the I thought he was chill.
Dum-dum like you doing here anyway.
Hey, that's not very nice. Didn't you?
Hungry. On the statue? Which one? There was like...
I don't look like a ghost, do I? See?
Whoa!
I can't quite.
Hey! I think I might know. I mean,
Good Easter egg. Alright. Save.
Time to take a break. Mary could be out there.
I know.
As
We should probably.
now. Alright, we gotta.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Somebody left their shoes. Okay. Look, Mar. My God, I'm just walking.
Tells of a woman who was cast out, sentenced to die on an island out on the lake handle to help him find his way. But
All right, up we go. Oh wait, where we go? Down. What's down? Good night, Dragoons. At 9. So yeah, and then